welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ginger powder. This is very easy to make and you can store this for 6 months time. You can use this in your spices or when making tea or candies. In short, you can always replace this for your regular ginger. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 250 grams of fresh ginger. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Now let's peel the skin off. You can either use a knife or fork to peel the skin off. Likewise, peel the skin of every ginger piece and keep it ready. Now cut them into thin slices like this. Then chop every slice into small pieces. The smaller the ginger pieces are, the less time it's going to take for drying. So go with fine chopping to reduce the dry time. Now we are ready with all the small pieces of ginger. Transfer them to a white steel plate. Spread it well. Sun dry for 2 days until the ginger becomes nice and dry. It's been 2 days now and our ginger pieces are nicely dried. Transfer them to a mixer jar and grind it to a very fine powder. Now our dried ginger powder is ready. Store in an airtight container and you can enjoy this for 6 months time. You can use this for 1 year if stored in refrigerator. Very healthy substitute for our regular ginger with no compromise in taste. So do try this ginger powder recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add few fresh and tender basil leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this basil ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the basil has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice and let this boil for 10 seconds. Then strain the basil ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this basil ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.